all the exercises for chapter 3. We did some last time. We will redo them again. The chapter of Europe, okay? So let's start with some. What ocean lies to the west of Europe? This is where you suppose guys to answer.
Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean, correct. Atlantic Ocean. Which sea lies in the west, in the south of Europe?
Mediterranean Sea.
Yes, exactly. So Mediterranean Sea. Okay. The Arctic cycle crosses which four countries on European mainland? So this is the map. This is the Arctic cycle. Which four countries it has?
It has are the names there like the what are the country names? So
Yeah, the country names. So Arctic cycle. So you can say any four countries in the north. Okay, so this is okay. You can let's take a look for a better better map. Arctic. Okay, images. So we need the name of countries. Can you see the image now?
yeah, I can.
Yes.
So where is Europe here? So we have Finland, we have Sweden, we have Norway. And which country is this?
Russia.
Russia. Okay. So here we write Finland, Sweden, Russia, and what? And Norway. Okay. Did you see the answer? So this is the Arctic circle, all of it. So in Europe, we're talking about Europe, which means this side. So we have Russia, we have Finland here, we have Sweden here, and we have Norway here. Okay.
Okay.
Now, which two Europe country extend into Asia? This should be easy.
Russia and Turkey.
Russia and Turkey. What large body of water in south of Ukraine and north of Turkey?
The Black Sea.
Black Sea, yes. Okay. So what is the name of the island country far northwest of the rest of Europe?
Iceland.
Iceland, yes. Bravo. What is the capital of Portugal?
Lisbon.
Lisbon. Okay, good. So now let's take a look. What world greatest civilization emerged in Europe, which was
It says it's Russia, I think.
no civilization.
Oh,
So we have, you can say either the ancient Greece or you can say the Roman Empire. Okay, so let's say here's the Roman Empire, because I love Rome, Italy. Oh, both ancient Greece and Roman Empire. Okay, these are the most two popular civilization emerged in Europe. Biggest wars in modern history are WW1, World War One, and World War
World 2.
II. Okay. Language group. I'm not going to answer this. You should know it. So we have Dutch, we have English, we have Spanish, we have French. Okay. Bodies of water. We have different oceans. We have two oceans, the Arctic and Atlantic. Atlantic. We have the Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea, Northern Sea. We have so many waters. We can see them actually here exactly. Okay. We have different Gulf also. We have the White Sea also. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now let's take this study. I think we did this, but we're going to do it again just to make sure and we went through everything because the next quiz will have some information about this. Okay. So this is, as we can see here in the dark color, is the Roman Empire. Okay.
Okay.
So let's check the answer. Based on the map, why did Roman Empire have hard time defending all its territory? So this is the Roman
Since it
Empire.
had a very long border.
Very large border, bravo. Because it has a very large border. Okay. So what was the most important city in Roman Empire? What was the most important city in the Roman Empire? I'm not going to say the answer. You should know it.
Rome?
Rome. Yes, it is the Roman Empire. What geometric? Okay, so now this is, I'm not going to write it, but you have to say it. So let's take it this as. So what geographic feature was at the center of Roman Empire? So let's.
Mediterranean Sea.
Mediterranean Sea was connecting all the Roman Empire. So this was it. Okay. So this should be just filling in the blanks with statistic on this chart. Okay. Now let's talk about reverse. This we did not solve last time, or we did.
Ustaz, we have solved this whole page.
What?
We solved it.
We did, yeah. Do you remember all
Yes.
the answer?
It says Volga River is called Mother Volga River because they take water from to plant crops and
Yeah, because around 40% of Russian people. So let's talk about these four. What is the longest river in Italy?
Po.
Pole.
Po River.
Por?
No, Po.
This. Spell it, Aya. Letter by letter.
P-O.
P-O?
Yes.
Oh, exactly. What is the longest river in Europe?
Volga River.
Volga.
the Danube.
Danube is the second here. Okay. Longest river in France?
Rhine River.
Loire. Loire River. Okay. So Loire River is the longest river in France. Okay. So far, so good.
Okay.
Yes.
So where does the Volga River basin lie?
It says in Russia.
Russia. Where does the Danube River end?
Black
I
Sea.
think
Black Sea, yes. So here we say Russia. Here we say Black Sea. Okay. So okay, case study of Rhine River. Now we'll talk about the Rhine River. Let's use Google. Rhine River. Okay. So first, in which continent Rhine River lies?
Europe.
Europe. Countries it flows in?
There's Germany,
Yes. So you can see them here. Okay.
Switzerland.
So this is the Rhine
then
River. Germany, Switzerland. Netherlands. Is it in France also?
Yes, France also.
France. So France, Switzerland, and finally Netherlands. Okay. Do we have more? So you can check the rest of the answers by yourself. So Lance, I actually don't care about the Lance.
It says it's 1,230 kilometers.
Yeah, so this is general information. Okay, so let's skip now to fill in these blanks. So the Rhine River began a small stream in what? In which?
Switzerland, I think.
Switzerland, are you sure?
Yes, because in the map
We
it showed
don't have a
Switzerland.
Switzerland as the option.
Swiss Alps. Alps.
Swiss Alps. Okay. But soon gathered speed and volume on its way to Lake what?
Rhine Lake.
Okay, so this is a table if you want to see it. So the Rhine begins a small stream in Swiss Alps, but soon gathers Rhine, sorry, constants. Okay, so here we have constants. A source of drinking water for large part of southern of what?
Germany.
Germany. As the Rhine River enters Germany, it becomes a border between which countries?
France
And what?
and Netherlands.
No, Germany again.
Yeah.
Okay, so Germany again. Good. Guys, where the others? Carlos, Harry, Zainab, Leia.
It says I'm here.
All good?
Yeah.
So, okay, you can fill this table by yourself. You can see the importance of Rhine River here, okay? So the importance was in the past, the ancient Romans and later the Frank fortified its bank and used it to hold back the barbaric Germanic people. In the Middle Ages, the Rhine River was just a major communication route between Northern and Southern Europe. And from 1800 into 20th century, the river played an important role as a frontier between France and German states. In the future, the Rhine River is one of the busiest commercial waterways. So it helped developing so much cities. It is upper course. Is a source of hydroelectric power. We already discussed what's the hydroelectric power, no? Guys, what's a hydroelectric power?
What?
What's a hydroelectric power?
It's power that takes from the water, I think.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so all the importance you can find them here in page 13 and 14 from chapter 3. Okay.
Okay.
So how high is Everest mountain? So let's go here to mountains.
It's like 1,000 and something meters.
Everest, height of Everest is 8,849. Okay. So the source you can say here, Google. Okay. What is the longest mountain range in the world?
Mid-ocean.
Mid-ocean.
Mid-ocean ridge. Right.
Largest so come again. Longest mountain range. Longest mountain. Mid-ocean ridge. Okay. They extend from, let's see. Oh, the 90% of mid-ocean ridge system is under the ocean. Nice. Where it is based? So it is based. They did not write. So let's see if we have another. The Andes, not the mid-ocean. Okay. Maybe because the mid-ocean was underwater, it is not included like the other. So this is the Andes in South America. And based on the National Ocean Service, it says the mid-ocean. So which one you want to take? Most of the results are saying Andes. Oh no, it is a mid. So let's check this article. So here it says that it's not the Rocky and it's not Andes. Okay, the longest world range is 40 times, yeah, along conference itself. The right to ask the following take between continents, mid-ocean. So it is the mid-ocean, okay? Mid-ocean, the source, you can write the source here, this one, okay?
Okay.
So what is the highest peak in the Western Hemisphere? Yalla, do it by yourself here. Try to find the highest peak in the Western Hemisphere. You do have access to Google, no? So Aconcagua, okay? It is more than 6,000 meters high, exact high peak. So Aconcagua is part of Andes Mountain, which means it's south of. So here, Google. In which country is Mount Fuji located?
Japan.
Japan. It's from the book or from Google? Aya?
From Google.
Google. Okay, in which country Mount Kilimanjaro located?
China.
China, also from Google, no?
No, from a mind.
Oh, from Abbas. I see. Let's say Google. Okay. So this table, you can find the answer of Pyrenees, Balkan, and Ural Mountain, all information here. Okay.
Okay.
So these are general questions also. So let's try to answer this question. So which mountain in Europe would you like to visit most and why? So who want to answer first? Who wants to give it a try? Aya, which mountain would you like most in Europe?
It says I would like to go to the Swiss Alps.
Swiss Alps, why?
Well, because it's kind of cool. I don't know.
Okay. Who else have any want to try? Me, I would choose the Balkan Mountain because of the greens and the forest there. Okay. Wake
I
up,
like Swiss
guys.
Alps. I like Swiss Alps because I would want to go ski there.
Okay. Okay, guys, try answering these question by yourself. The case study of the Alps mountain. Okay. Now let's check the final answer here. No. Yes. Okay, so let's see these. Which resources would you actually plan to use? Internet, books, magazine, encyclopedia, people dictionary, atlas, newspaper.
Internet.
Mostly internet. What else?
And people.
People.
I
why
would
Aya?
use
Let's
books.
start with Aya. Let's start with Aya. Why internet and people?
Internet, it gives more information.
Okay. It gives you access to all the information you need. And people, why?
Because they help also, like my dad and my mom, they help me and they give me more information too.
Okay, so they can help you. Abbas, you were saying books
Yes.
and anything else?
No.
So why books?
Because in the internet, not everything is like correct. So books is mostly like, what's it called? It's like better than internet because in internet you don't know what they're writing if it's true or wrong.
Yes, you can, but actually differentiate between what is credible and what is not. So, for example, don't rely on information on Wikipedia. Always look around to check what is the most important, what is the most correct answer. But I got your point. Okay, so others,
I would choose internet.
internet. Zahra Jaber,
Same here, internet.
internet. So most people, do you know what's encyclopedia? A book or set of book given information on many subjects or many aspects of one subject that typically arranged alphabetically. So let's say images. So this is what an encyclopedia looks like. Okay. So it's a series of book. Okay. So I think Abbas might also go for this option.
Yes, I would go for that option too.
Yeah. Okay, guys, do you have any question?
No.
No.
So we only did not solve the ALP question. You can check them on the book. Okay?
It says, I know how fold mountains are created.
Okay.
Good.